What up, YouTube? Thank you for returning to the channel, watching another video. If you haven't already subscribed, let me help you out. So if you look in the bottom right corner of the video, see that N54? Yeah, subscribe. On the road to 200 subscribers, hop on train, trying to take you and this afro with me to 200 subscribers. As you guys can see here, I got a little setup going on for my YouTubing on this side. Gaming's gonna be on that side and everything like that. I'm not gonna be doing a whole bunch of gaming stuff because I'm trash. I'm pretty trash, but you know, I play the game or whatever. But yeah, I ain't got no gaming chair yet, but I'll get that. Sitting on a little musical instrument right now. But anywho, got something different for you guys. Today will be the first American car on this channel. You guys know I'm BMW, European, Japanese enthusiast or whatever. So today will be the first American car on this channel. So gonna go ahead and show you guys the car, show you guys the parts, and we're gonna get into it. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. I'm on set the club, baby, make a ride. Hit this northern lights, we can take a fly. Fuck, I kinda sweet too, step into the beat. Hey, bottles up on me, 50 in the VIP. Hey, heels about to set, skin tight dress. Flexible finesse, no takers, this is just Burberry accent, beyond the funk. Watch her shake her ass, shout it beyond the funk. Hit her with some game, got me rolling the dice. When you leave this club, where you go in tonight? Looking like a kilo, chips, no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no. Looking like a kilo, chips, no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no.
Broke up with my girl, ain't feeling pride. Me and my gun got me feeling pride. Lift your head down, girl, enjoy the night. Riding through the city, smoking Northern Line.
So as you can see behind me, we got a Dodge Challenger RT Plus. Gonna be doing the intake, putting a Spectre Performance intake in it, doing the rear diffuser, and also got some clean Merrick Motorsports headlight rings or whatever they are. They don't go from my car, so I don't know the exact name. But yeah, so gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, make sure to drop all that stuff in the description for where you guys can pick it up if you guys want to get yours. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the parts and we'll get into it. Okay, so here are the parts that are going to be going in. I already set this part up, whatever. So this is Spectre Performance intake that's going to be going in there. Along with this, I thought it would be a nice little addition, red and chrome going in there. This diffuser, a little different from what you guys saw. So I'm gonna be slapping this in there, clean it up and everything, get a video after. But these right here, these are the cleanest part of this whole install. These are some Merrick Motorsports headlight rings for Dodge Challengers. So that's about it. Quick little install, so let's get to it. Alright, so as you guys can see, this engine bay is a little dirty, so I'm gonna make sure to clean it up a bit after I'm done. But first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and do as much removal as possible. A little cleaning up, and then we'll go ahead and get into everything else. Alrighty, so we've got the engine cover off. Just lift up on it, pull that off. Sensor, disconnect that wire. These are 8mm. As well as the one that I just removed, also 8mm. Loosen that just in case. Go ahead and remove this hose. Intakes are usually pretty easy to remove, and that's the top piece out right there. After that top piece comes out, we'll go ahead and take out the filter. the airbox. The airbox out. So now that that's out, we'll go ahead and remove this hose over here, because we have our own that came in the kit. So now that the first portion of the removal is done, we'll go ahead and remove these right here. They just pull up on them. Pull this out. Remove this one also. This is to access the headlights. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing this piece right here, this front piece, to put it in. So what I'm going to be doing is reaching back into here to remove this piece, push down on one of the clips, hit the other clip, hit the other clip, and it'll come out. Same thing for this side. We're going right into there. You see it has 3 clips on it. Reach in there, and get one, other one out. So now that those are both out, I'm going to go ahead and take a microfiber cloth, wipe down the inside of it. I'm going to be using some alcohol to get it out, get everything out, wipe down the inside. Do the same thing for the other side. So what you're going to do here for this sensor is you're going to rock it back, pry up on this little part to get it over the gap. And there we go. Pull that out. So for this right here, you take this grommet and insert it into here. This is for the sensor to fit in there and be snug. So we'll just push it in. Grommet is in. So the grommet is in there. So I'm going to take a little bit of grease up the area so that it'll slide in better and it won't break the sensor. Grease up the sensor just a little bit, and there's also a seal on the sensor, so you want that to be greased. So grease up the sensor a little bit. It's all good. Got this greased up a little bit so we can slide it in there properly. Go ahead and make sure you slide it in good enough, and just like that. You can rotate it however you want once it's inside the car. Alright, so that's that. Sensor is in, grommet is in. So install the shield. Go ahead and take this rubber grommet, drop it in there. And then we're going to slide this on the inside. Gonna have to do a little bit of bending in order to get it in the right spot, but no problem. So bend that down. Take your bolt washer, insert it, and start tightening. A little bit. Alright, so this is a 16 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and tighten that up, and this is an 8 millimeter. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and insert these 2 pieces. It's going to sit just like this inside here. So you're going to insert this through here. Slide this piece over because this is what's going to be securing it inside of this area. If I can get it. Alright, there we go. So now I'm going to leave that in there. And then I'm gonna do this portion right here. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and insert the pipe into this side. Push in. And that should be good. Might as well just go ahead and slide on the rest of it right now while we're on it. Finally. even out and settle out. And we'll go ahead and tighten up these pieces. Go ahead and see. Perfect, perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the clamps on it. Well, now everything else is in, so let's go ahead and get the filter itself in there. Just gonna simply drop down here, slide over, and just like that. Go ahead and tighten up this clamp real quick. Solid. Alrighty, that's the intake in. Spectre Performance intake. Let's go ahead and put this engine cover on. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and install these rings. Simple. Just push them in. The rubber will hold them in. Boom. Just like that. That looks good. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put these pieces back in. Alright, since I know that this is going to be a little bit of a task, basically what I'm just going to do is I'm going to work, and while I'm working, I'll just put everything that I'm doing on the screen. So let's get to it. Alright, well everything didn't line up perfectly with this, so I had to heat it up. Drill out one hole back here. And heat this area up too. Pliers and stuff like that, you know. Making it fit. So let's go and see how it fits on the car. There will be no backing up sensors though. Alright, so diffuser is on. Didn't have any real clips, so I had to do my own thing over here on this side. Down bottom I had to do a couple that one clip right there, and then also had to do this one right here. Had to heat it up a couple times in order to get everything to sit right, but it looks good to me. So everything is done, looking good, like I showed you guys everything. Give a shout out to my boy Glenn, aka Juice, also my barber. I'll put his Instagram on the screen down here, and if you're in Tucson, hit him up for a haircut. Studio 88, his place. That's about it. Make sure to put everything in the link in the description below. Alright, well that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Stay tuned for more. Catch you next video.